Welcome back to day 44 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge series. In today's video, we tackle a common programming problem, counting zeros in a number. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this challenge will help sharpen your skills. Given a number m, write a program to find the count of zeros in m input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m output. The output should be a single line containing a string. Count of zeros is greater than 3 should be printed if there are more than 3 zeros in the given number. Otherwise, count of zeros is not greater than 3 should be printed. Sample, input, and output are also be given for your reference. Join us on this coding journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding challenges and tutorials.